सभासदों, माननीय सभापति जी,
नमस्कार। Memorandum of business. Papers to be laid on the table. Sri V. Muralidharan.
Chairman sir, with your permission, on behalf of my senior colleagues and other colleagues, Shri Rajnath Singh ji, Shri Prakash Javadekar ji, Shri Prahlad Joshi ji, Shri Shripad Yaso Naik ji, Shri Kiran Rijiju ji, Shri Prahlad Singh Patel ji, Shri Mansukh Mandviya ji, Shri Arjun Ram Meghwal ji, General Retired V.K. Singh ji, Shri Babul Supriyo ji, Shri Pratap Chandra Sarangi ji, I lay on the table of the House the papers listed against their names from serial numbers 1 to 11 in today's revised list of business.
This facility is confined only to this session because of COVID. Otherwise, every minister against whom the business is listed, he or his deputy has to come. This will save time also and then sitting arrangement. Message from Lok Sabha, Secretary General.
Sir, with your kind permission, I rise to report that the Lok Sabha at its sitting held on the 10th of March 2021 had agreed without any amendment to the National Capital Territory of Delhi laws, special provisions, Second Amendment Bill 2021, which was passed by the Rajya Sabha at its sitting held on the 9th of February 2021.
Reports of the Department-Led Parliamentary Standing Committee on Home Affairs. Sri Anand Sharma.
Sir, I rise to present the following three reports in English and Hindi of the Department-Related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Home Affairs. First, 230th report on atrocities and crimes against women and children. 231st report on demand for grants 2021-22 of the Ministry of Home Affairs. 232nd report on demand for grants for 2021-22 of the Ministry of Donors.
Reports of the Department-Led Parliamentary Standing Committee on Transport, Tourism and Culture. Sri T.G. Venkatesh.
Honorable Chairman, sir, I rise to present the following reports, both in English and English, or of the Departmental Hindi and English, of the Department-Related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Transport, Tourism and Culture. 289th report on demands for grants 2021-22 of Ministry of Culture, and 290 report on demands for grants 2021-22 of Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways. Thank you.
Reports of the Public Accounts Committee. Sri Mallikarjuna Kharge.
Sir, I lay on the table of the copy each of the following reports of the Public Accounts Committee. 131st report on implementation of Prime Minister's Employment Generation Program. Second, 32nd report on preparation for the implementation of Sustainable Development Goals. Third, 33rd report on action taken by the government on the recommendations, observations of the committee contained in its 122nd report on Kendriya Vidyalaya, that is Gujarat Vidyapith. 34th report on action taken by the government on recommendation and observation of the committee contained in its 127th report, that is 16th Lok Sabha, on supply and infrastructure development for natural gas. And fifth, the 35th report on action taken by the government on the recommendations and observations of the committee contained on its 137th report, that is 16th Lok Sabha, on procurement of air combat maneuvering instruments systems.
Honorable members, I have received two notices from Dipendra Singh Huda and Sanjay Singh under 267. I have disallowed them because I have already stated the reasons in the House. Jirova Sri Maharajas Sanajoba Reshamba